Right now in New York City, court back in session for the civil fraud trial into Donald Trump's business empire. Here you can see the former president in the courtroom just moments ago. There will not be cameras in court, though, for the witness testimony. So this was, again, a pool spray shot that they allowed us to come in and get before the proceedings got underway today. Let's bring in NBC News correspondent Vaughn Hilliard. He's outside the courthouse. Also with us, Dave Ehrenberg, state attorney for Palm Beach County, Florida, and back with us as well, former federal prosecutor Ankush Kaduri. So, Vaughn, let's start with what's going to happen today. What evidence, what witnesses can we expect?
Right on. I was just looking at the witness list here, and Donald Bender is back on the stand. He is the first witness. He appeared throughout yesterday afternoon. He was Donald Trump's personal accountant who was working in the capacity with two key figures from the Trump Organization to compile Trump's personal tax returns from 2011 through 2020. The second witness that we can anticipate most likely this afternoon coming to the stand if they get through Donald Bender is the accountant who has worked with Donald Trump since then, dating back to 2021. His name is Cameron Harris. He's a CPA at Whitley Penn. He is part of their audit team. And then the big two witnesses to follow, this is the witnesses we could expect as soon as tomorrow or the back half of this week, are the controller, Jeffrey McConney, as well as the chief financial officer, Allen Weisselberg. Both of those individuals are named in this lawsuit as defendants, and they are important because they have worked for decades now with Donald Trump and the Trump Organization, and in a separate matter related to state charges that found the Trump Organization guilty in December of 2022 for a 15-year tax fraud scheme. Both Allen Weisselberg and Jeffrey McConney, they testified. McConney was granted immunity as part of this, and ultimately Weisselberg actually served jail time. Both of them had testified to the Trump Organization being engaged in that. Neither of these two men, however, though, implicated directly Donald Trump. That is why when they take the stand here, it is going to be a unique moment. And if Donald Trump is in the courtroom at that point, that he will be looking at both of those men who he has worked with for decades now, and both of those men who were at the forefront of actually putting together the financial statements that were signed off by Donald Trump and his sons.